Another amazing elevator today. On the 28th of July 2023 we have it's Mannerheimintie, Mannerheim 76, but also the side address is Humalistan Gatan 2. And this is the staircase C. We have filmed the staircases A and B here before, but we also need to get to the staircases C and D here when we can.
Yeah, and you have filmed staircase A and B, and I only this one.
Oh yeah, true, by the way. And this was built in late 1970. Oh, is it 79? Well,
yeah.
In the beginning of 1979, turning 45 years old in the next year, 2024, and it will be expected this year, 2023, and this number is VS5469. Like best these 4 programs. I love the interior here.
Yeah, same here.
And the basement floor is locked, but
yeah.
We'll take the roads here.
Yeah.
Maybe it has memory.
No.
So it's simple. It's here into Helsinki, Helsinki, Finland.
Inspekteert by liftinstallationen, maintained by pääkaupunkiseudun hissikeskus.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much. Over here for 66 reason.
That's